guys, today in this video I'm gonna to show you how to show file extensions in Windows 10 PC. So guys, if you want to show file extensions in Windows 10 PC, so very easy. Firstly, type here File Explorer. After click on File Explorer. After click on Views and click on Options. Click on Change Folder and Search Options. After click on View, and if you want to hide extensions for GNOME file tabs, so check this box. After click on Apply, click on OK. That is. And guys, if you want to show, so very easy. Firstly, open File Explorer. After click on View, click on Options, Change Folder and Search Options. Click on View, and here hide extension for GNOME file tabs, so uncheck this box. After click on Apply, click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to show file extension in Windows 10 PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.